Right here on the job site here with this Amrad hang right. So this is what comes in the box. You got your screws here, hanging stuff. This is where it'll go through the joists or the wrappers, like up there, for example. Here goes your instructions, your level. I guess this is how high or low you want it. So the instructions here. This is it. Let's take it out the box and see. So also these hooks here. This is what mounts to the underneath. The drain pan can go right in here. So there's 3 of these. So 2 on the outside and 1 in the middle. So let's try to open it. So I would say remove what the cable, just make sure it's out the way, and then you probably want it with the rubber piece here facing you up, and then there you go, and then all these stuff can start locking in. See these holes right here is where you can put these brackets in. So what I'm gonna do is separate each cable. So I already started with that one over there. Then I'm gonna follow this cable over here, find it, untangle it. Well, take it off here for one tangle up. Shoot it that way. Same thing with this cable, shoot it that way. Then this cable, shoot it that way. And then they're doing the plywood already for I can put my ladder and then start drilling to hang it up to the rafters up there, or the joists. So that's what he's doing right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna separate everything real quick and then come back. All right, so I got each one separated. What I ended up doing was putting a zip tie here on all 4 of them. So then when I lift up, and because I don't think I'm gonna be ready today because they're still doing the plywood. So when I come back, everything is still the way I need it to be laid out. See, I can lift it up and not worry about the cables being in the way. I can just grab and go. And then these things right here, they adjust in and out. So however size machine you have, it should fit. And what's cool, it has the level there. That's cool. There should be another level. There's a level right there, these two, and then same thing. So yeah, not bad, not bad.